on YouTube? I'm back. I ain't did one of these rating videos in a good minute. I think it's been like 3-4 weeks. I just took a break. I had a lot going on. I got a lot coming for the channel with the car. I got the rating videos finna start back up every Sunday. Coming probably like 6-7 o'clock. I'll be dropping the video every Sunday. I got a lot going on. The car got air lift coming. The 2-valve. I just don't know what's going on with it. It's a work in progress, but yeah, we finna get this rating video started, and we gonna get started with DG Jerks. I think you say you from Australia, so yeah, you definitely from Australia. You got a black Mustang, look like a 2011, 2012. Car pretty clean. It's stock for the most part. You do got the 13 to 14 tail lights. It say run LOL. You got a Brembo car, which is nice. I'm gonna give your car a 8 of 10. Just because, I mean, you haven't done much work to it, so I don't know what you got planned for it, but it still look good to be black and then the stock. So that's pretty clean. Moving on to slick underscore S197. Okay then. I'm guessing this is a V6. Yep, it's a V6 2011. And the car clean, man. You can't go wrong with it. The color, I think it's called what, mineral gray? That may be an old color. I'm tripping. But anyway, car clean. You should get some tail lights. Everybody needs a set of tail lights for these cars. Okay then, Jason. You got a nice hood scoop, nice wheels. I don't know if the car lowered or not. Nope, it's not lowered. So you should definitely get it lowered. And if you need some struts, hit me up. I got front struts for sale. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a 7 or 10. Car clean, you can't go wrong with it. It's a nice looking car. To be a V6, I'm not a V6 guy, but I accept all cars. I don't trip. Moving on, SVT Snake. Snake the SVT. Old 2001 Cobra. All black. You got them expensive tail lights. Hey man, I give you $1,000 for the tail lights. You know how folks go. They get crazy about them lights, man. I don't know why. But anyways, car clean, cosmic wheels. You got the front lip. You should definitely do some clear corners. I don't know how stock you want to keep the car or whatever, but you could do some clear corners. The yellow brake pad is definitely clean with the black car. It's definitely a clean car. You can't go wrong with it. I'm gonna have to get that car a 10 of 10. It looked pretty good. Got you a nice little burnout video right here. Okay. You have fun with that Cobra, huh? Yes, sir. We're moving on to yellow Mustang 2015 Baby B. I think there's a V6. No, EcoBoost V6. No, it's a GT.
When I pull up in the whip, baby,
I'm gonna figure it out in a minute though.
when I pull up in the
Anyway,
whip,
the car thing, I don't know what it is. V6, posted no GT. It's definitely clean that yellow with the carbon fiber. And
when I pull up
okay,
in the
then.
whip, baby,
In the parking lot.
when I hop up with my shawty,
You got the front grille. You got the nice custom-made headlights, and I'm guessing there's a 4-cylinder V6. So, like you got some fenders maybe. Yeah, you do got the 350 fenders. That look good. You got a pretty good bit of work in this car. I mean, you should get lowered on and maybe some wheels, air lift, something of that nature. But I don't know how much work you want to put in your car. Can't tell you what to do, but 8 of 10. Straight out, car clean. Dark Queen. What's up, my Georgia lady? We from Georgia, from Atlanta. Just got you a 2013 GT500. Yep, 2013 GT500. We'll post a link at the Cars and Coffee last Sunday, but you had some stuff going on. And look like you had a GT before that, which was black too. So, and I see you a model on your page. You say you're a model. Okay, then he might get you some business. So okay, that black car clean. Feel like you like dressing in black yourself. And you work on your own car. You don't see many women working on their own car knowing what they're doing. So that shall be definitely clean. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 to 10. Time to do some mods though, man. Time to get it lowered, some wheels. That's about it. That's all you need. And a tune and a pulley, you'll be good. 10 to 10. Wait, go back. Cali Carbon Coyote, his didn't post, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to look him up. If I can't find him, oh well, I don't know. Maybe he changed his name. We're gonna go try to find this dude though. Oops. Maybe he changed his name or something. I don't know. They won't let me tag him. Nope, it ain't pulling up. So back to the list. 40 road or 40 road ED, 40 road Ed. That ruby red, I'm assuming. Clean car, clean color. You got the Brembo fronts, look like they orange or red. TikTok talking about making homemade fries. I don't know fries. Good roll shot, good rolling shot. The car clean, man. You can't go wrong with it. Maybe you should lower it down. Those wheels, I think you should do some different wheels. Maybe some Belgian wheels or something other than that nature. You do got a nice car though. I'm gonna give it a 7 to 10. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7 to 10. The car clean. Look like you take a good bit of professional pictures with somebody. So that's definitely nice. 5 slow S197. What's up, twin? Nitrous outlet. Got nitrous carburetors, manifold, carbon fiber, decklid panel, carbon fiber around the tag. Got carbon fiber on the hood. Those wheels, I actually got those same wheels for my 2 valve, but they're like a silver color, like a brushed aluminum. So it look good though. They say you on Coilovers, I think. That's definitely a clean car right there. I remember when you trying to sell it. I think you were trying to sell it a while back. But it's definitely clean. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 to 10. You can't go wrong with how it's set up at all. Shape shifter. I guess that's what that say. Okay then, ain't got silver. That's my favorite color, man. I might give you a 10 just because your car's silver. GTS 2012 California Special. Welcome to the game. We both California Special gang. But in my opinion, you should move the stripe on the side. You should lower it down. And do a deck lid and some tail lights. Other than that, the car clean, man. I'm gonna give it a 10. Just because it ain't got silver. I mean, maybe I'm just biased. I don't know. It just might be me. 10 to 10. Okay, then the speed heat. The car look good. You can't go wrong with that. ZR07. Cover photo guy. Got the welds on the back. I think those are welds. I could be wrong. I think I'm wrong. I'm about to find out though. I think I'm wrong. Those do look like welds though. But I could be wrong. Anyways, car look good. I think it's called Cyclone Blue or Gravel Blue. Gravel Blue, yeah, Gravel Blue. Got the Brembo package up front, stock wheel, quad tips. Car look good, man. You can't go wrong with it. 9 to 10, running E85. They're like you party a lot. You party a lot. You definitely party a lot. You do a lot of racing. You ain't got that tire back there for nothing. 9 to 10. And enjoy being the cover photo, man. You know what I'm talking about? Matter of fact, there you go right there. And at Stain Girl, I forgot to put you on the list. Really, it was only supposed to be 10. But the Cali Carbon Coyote guy, his car, his page won't pull up, so I had to get somebody else. And look like you got a 3.7 6-speed 2012. And it's lady driven, so that's dope. Have a 6-speed and to be a woman. Cause you know you got a man pedal. You got a man pedal and you're a female. That's what's up. And you turn wrenches. Look at you. Okay then, car clean. Maybe you on coilovers in the front, or just super low in the front. I don't know, but it looked good either way. Car looked good. I'm gonna have to give it an 8 or 10. I think you should lower the back down some, maybe a cowl hood, a front splitter, GT500 wing, and shit, that'll be about it for that car. Maybe a Pro Charge or something, but other than that, really ain't gotta do much to it. Car look good, and I know you have fun driving it, so yeah, that's it. That's it for everybody. I think I did all 10. Yep, did all 10. So I'm out. Catch me on the next one. Catch me next Sunday doing the same thing, talking about the same thing, rating other people's cars, of course. And tell your friends to hit me up. I can get them on the video ASAP because I had to start over on the list. I ain't really got many people to rate. So I'll be posting like daily, trying to get up my people so I can have some content for a couple Sundays and not just doing this last minute thing. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you like to subscribe to the channel and come back next Sunday.